Introducing Core 3 Health, a powerful routine designed to help you feel your best. Invest in yourself with a system built with uncompromising standards and formulas, backed by years of research. Prime NAD+ helps support cellular metabolism and cognitive function. Isotonics OPC3 provides daily protection and supports general well-being. Isotonics digestive enzymes with probiotics promotes nutrient absorption and digestive health. 3 simple steps. 1 complete routine for wellness, energy, and balance. Prime NAD+ plays a crucial role in boosting metabolism and supporting strong vitality from the cellular level. Isotonics OPC3 supports cellular metabolism and boosts overall vitality. Isotonics digestive enzymes with probiotics supports digestion, maintains digestive health, and keeps you feeling light and comfortable before bedtime. Each one depends on the other. Build a smarter approach to your health. Core 3 Health was designed to fit into your lifestyle, making it easy to stay consistent and feel results you can trust. This is more than a routine. It's a path to lasting vitality, helping you age well, feel better, and look great. Start your journey today with Core 3 Health.